Toyota. It's a Camry. It says it right there. I'm going to show you how to pop this mirror off. Okay, we're going to start with this. See that? No tools required. That's what holds it in. So top first, downward towards you. Now let's see if we're going to pull downward as the other Camry was, and that's what we're going to do. Now, I don't think, and I'm going to say this again because I tried this on the last body style. This is the brand new body style as of right now as we're sitting in it. Okay, so we're going to put this guy back and pretend like nothing happened, right? And I want to see if I can get that mirror off without taking this guy down, which I think I can. You just can't lift it up. So you can get to the Torx, you see? You can get to the Torx, but you have to be able to lift upward. So I think all you need to do is just get this guy off. But if you take this down, this reveals the camera. Now these puppies right here are very, very fragile. And it looks to me like you just pop this guy out. Okay? And this pops outward. Yeah, I think this pops inward, okay? That slides outward. I think these pop out, hold it in because I see a little nub right there. All right, I'm not taking this puppy out, but not the point. We're doing a rearview mirror. So I'm gonna put this guy back. Let's put it back. All right, sound like it was breaking, but it was not. You just gotta line them up and push it back upward. So let's test my theory and do that. I think you can get to that. Let's get a Torx and see if we can. Even if you gotta take this thing off, look, there's no tools required, just pull it off. Okay, yes, you can. It just reaches, I'm gonna put it back. It just reaches, and there you go. So when you take it off, you're gonna slide it upward, and there you have it. Oh, I hit the button again. Dang it. And there you have the idea of, wait a minute, this thing has a plug? No, plug's on the other side. All right, there you go. So, there's a plug on this thing? Yes, there is. Oh, it's right there. Okay, let's unplug it. All right, either way. So, put it all back like you found it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share. One of them kind of hard to do. Thanks for watching.